As most of you guys know, my time is spent researching cryptocurrency and high-profile potential projects for my audience and exercise. Recently, we've explored some promising ones together, and my goal remains the same: to bring you top-tier projects with significant price growth potential.
Who really wanted with me? I'm at the top, that's one, not two or three. This real life, baby, don't make believe. I just make it look easy like ABC. I'm on it 24/7, 25/8. I just pick up the pace and I violate. I eat it all up like a dinner plate. I been on the move like I'm running late. Left, right, left. I am unstoppable. Okay. I am unstoppable. Okay. I am unstoppable. Okay. I am unstoppable. Okay. I don't have a limit. Okay. I don't have a limit. Okay. I don't have a limit. I don't have a limit, I'm just getting started. I am unstoppable, ask anybody. I just get to it, no time for excuses. I do what I do and I do it again. I really do what I say. Ain't got no time to be playing no games. I just be I'm making the plays. Get money too and I'm winning the race. Pick out the pace. I am unstoppable. Okay. I am unstoppable. Okay. I am unstoppable. Okay. I am unstoppable. Okay. I don't have a limit. Okay. I don't have a limit. Go. Pick up the pace. 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 Pick up the pace.
RWG has completed their product development shortly before the TGE launch. After all, that's why you're here, because you want tips on the best performers in the current bull market. Today I'm introducing something incredibly fresh and trending with massive potential: RWG and its final pre-sale round right before its launch at the end of Q1 of 2025. The first round of the RWG pre-sale sold out almost instantly. We've talked about this before. 600,000 sold out in about 10 minutes. This immediately proves that the demand is there for the product and that people want to be involved. The second pre-sale round already sold out. This is your final chance. Now, the listing price and the actual price are going to be 9 cents for both of them. The final pre-sale round isn't live yet as I record this, but I'm recording in advance because I doubt it's going to last very long. So this is going to be your chance to get in. The more I research RWG, the more convinced I am that it could lead to the SportFi sector and lead this entire narrative of cryptocurrency. Simple, retail friendly, and tapping into an existing massive market. So what's on the table today? First, a quick intro to RWG and the SportFi market. Now, we're going to have some major updates, the new developments since my last research that makes me even more confident in this project. Stay tuned and watch until the end. For those of you that have never heard of RWG, let me give you a brief kind of synopsis here. All right, let's talk RWG. And if you've ever used a running app like Adidas Run, Nike Run, or others, pay attention, because RWG is about to revolutionize how we think about motivation for running and run-to-earn concepts in general. In crypto, this isn't new. Everyone remembers STEPN, a standout from the last bull run with a multi-billion-dollar market cap. GMT was the token, or Step App, which was promoted by Usain Bolt, the fastest man on earth. While they got some things right and others wrong, RWG is clearly taking lessons from their successes and failures and focusing on doing things right, and most importantly, keeping it simple for everyone to get Web 2 and Web 3 users involved. Let me break this down so you can visualize its potential. Over 300 million people worldwide use running apps every single day, but none of these apps actually reward you with real money for your efforts. You run, you sweat, you hit your goals, and what do you get? Maybe a badge or a pat on the back. With RWG, that's all going to change. Now you have the chance to monetize your running, actually getting paid for doing what you already love. The sustainable run-to-earn app aims to outperform STEPN and the Step App from the previous bull runs. I've gone through the white paper and the details. I have to say this project is most likely going to be the one. Why am I so bullish on it? It has a market cap of just $351,000 at launch. It's a fantastic opportunity for profit at launch, and the goal is to be listed on tier 1 exchanges, and those will cause this thing to go parabolic. How does this 100% sustainable concept work, you might be asking? Well, users deposit or lock a certain amount of RWG tokens into the RWG deposit pool, which serves as their allocation for potential rewards after completing a 4-week challenge. At the end of the challenge, users who've met their running goals can withdraw 100% of their deposit. However, users who fail to meet their goals will not get their deposit back. Instead, their funds are transferred into the reward pool, which is immediately redistributed to all users who successfully completed their challenge. This ensures a sustainable and rewarding ecosystem for those who commit to the challenge. It's going to give you a reward because not everybody is going to finish. RWG is entering the SportsFi sector, which is one of the hottest trends in the last bull run. This is massively an untapped Web3 environment that you're about to enter. Do you remember STEPN's performance? It reached $1 billion valuation, and even now, today, it's valued at over 600 million market cap. The app only had 4 million active users worldwide, only 4 million. In comparison, running apps like Nike, the Nike Run Club, Strava, Adidas, they have numbers of between 70 and 100 million. Or maybe you remember Step App, a hugely popular project from the last bull run, even promoted by Usain Bolt. Why? Because people already run. They understood these projects, and most importantly, they made money for users for doing what they love. RWG is tapping into that same market, and with its sustainable approach and solid team, it has all the ingredients for success. There were very few SportFi apps, which led to concentrated investors and user attention. Now RWG is going to be the first strong SportFi project to capitalize on the sector in the upcoming bull run. The team is clearly serious about making this work. But you're probably wondering to yourself, why should we invest in SportFi and run to earn projects this cycle when they were popular in the last one? And let me explain why there's such a huge potential here. First, the project is straightforward. It's backed by top companies and has everything needed for Tier 1 centralized exchange listings. It's positioned to lead and reshape the SportFi industry. Second, the run-to-earn trend never really disappeared. It just needed the right project to bring it back. And if you follow me, you see me talking about it daily, how STEPN is still having a nice little pump. And we go through our crypto bubbles every day, and we see price pumps on STEPN, and we see that on all of these running apps. SportFi is a big sector. It just hasn't been profitized the right way. Do you remember when projects like STEPN and Step App first appeared? STEPN launched in December of 2021 and gained a huge popularity because it was perfectly timed. At that point, COVID-19 was nearly over. People were eager to spend time outdoors, exercise, explore different places, generally engage with society again. People were excited about it. Riding this new wave of socialization, STEPN introduced an app that allowed people to earn real money just by running. But since the team was rushing to launch the app and they were among the first to set this trend, they failed to perfect the concept. Their app had many flaws, which I'll discuss later. As a result, despite the rapid rise in popularity of STEPN and its GMT token, the project experienced an equally rapid downfall, lasting just one cycle and creating only short-lived hype. Now, one thing is clear, there's no high-quality run-to-earn product for athletes and runners. We've already seen the massive demand, but can you name a project that lets you earn while running with a sustainable model and a clear roadmap? And you can't because it doesn't exist yet. That's why today you're about to discover a true goldmine, RWG, that has taken the best elements from the run-to-earn giants of the previous cycle, improved upon them, and created a 100% sustainable product targeted at an audience with over 300 million users.
Really want it with me, I'm at the top, that's 1, not 2 or 3. This real life, baby, don't make believe. I just make it look easy like ABC. I'm on it 24/7, 25/8. I just pick up the pace and I violate. I eat it all up like a dinner plate. I been on the move like I'm running late. Left, right, left. I am unstoppable. Okay. I am unstoppable. Okay. I am unstoppable. Okay. I am unstoppable. Okay. I don't have a limit. Okay. I don't have a limit. Okay. I don't have a limit. I don't have a limit, I'm just getting started. I am unstoppable, ask anybody. I just get to it, no time for excuses. I do what I do and I do it again. I really do what I say. Ain't got no time to be playing no games. I just be I'm making them plays. Get money too and I'm winning the race. Pick out the face. I am unstoppable. Okay. I am unstoppable. Okay. I am unstoppable. Okay. I am unstoppable.
combined. We now have the last chance to take part in the growth potential through the third round of the sale. And in the end, I'm not even surprised that their first round sold out in just 10 minutes. It's crazy fast, and now the last round is live. The demand here is going to be huge. So if you're watching this video, you might be one of the lucky ones who can still get the RWG token at the best terms. But you might be wondering, how does this app work and what makes it so special? Is this just another Ponzi scheme like STEPN? Not at all. That's the point. Runwago is a simple, user-friendly, and 100% sustainable app. The app runs on a super simple, clever concept. Now, the Runwago app development is complete. Look, I want to make this as simple as possible. The problem with STEPN is STEPN gave you 30% of the coins when it launched, which meant that you had an opportunity for 30% of the supply. So if it goes to 100 million market cap, split up over those 30% of supply, then you're fine. Problem is not that. The problem is, in order for you to get a reward, for you to be rewarded, they created their own pools. Their own pools meant that what they were doing every single time they had a round is they were adding more tokens into the supply. And when you do that, what happens is you then thereby dilute the value of your current holdings. Now, if you start off with, say, 300 million tokens out of a billion tokens, and then all of a sudden you keep adding a few in and you keep adding a few in, before you know it, you have 400 million tokens. And if you still have $1 billion market cap, then the price point has gone from, just say, 33 cents all the way down to 25 cents just because you've added more tokens. And then imagine how bad it gets once you've added the entire billion. They weren't all added, by the way. That's not really how it works, because the team has to keep some, because they have to sell in order to pay themselves. They have to get marketing. They have to do all kinds of different things. But each time they do that, they're adding new tokens into the supply. With Runwago, that's not going to happen. You're going to put up, say, 1,000 of your tokens. You put up 1,000 tokens for the month, and then as long as you complete your process, you get that back, but you get a cut of everybody who didn't complete it. That is the most sustainable process that you could possibly have in this space. That's right. It's on you. It's on you to make sure that it's going to sustain itself. Everybody who's running has an opportunity to improve their bag every single month. Now, look, I think this is important. When you look around, you will find a lot of Runwago content around here because people are excited, especially people who are into fitness, because this matters. And when you start to break this down, this is being developed by Clevio X, which is a big time chain developer, and they've been brought into this by the BNB chain, and they are collaborating currently with Binance Square, Clevio, Apple Developer, Notion, Gitbook, Figma, Cointelegraph, Haken, Descents, Chiron, Legal Cornet. They've got a laundry list of major companies that they're collaborating with, and the tokenomics. Let's go over the tokenomics. There's going to be 100 million total tokens in the supply, and these are where they're all going to go. 1% to advisor, 8% to marketing, and this again, this is where all of those tokens get put back into the mix. STEPN couldn't maintain because of this reason. 6%. This is the important part for you. 6% goes to the team, 5% went to venture capital, 12% went to the community rounds, 12% are going to be there for community incentives for later competition, contests, things that are going on, 14% are in the public sale, 20% goes to this final round right now, 12% goes into liquidity, 10% into staking rewards. So you're going to see a lot on launch, and you're going to see a little bit come into the market over the course of whatever period of time. Now while we're on this subject, let me point something out, okay? As stated in the white paper, the venture capital token buy round is officially closed, and the Runwago team is no longer accepting new venture capital offers. This confirms that all 3 available slots have been filled, meaning we can expect 3 institutional investors, venture capitals, that are going to be backing this project. The white paper also confirms that the venture capital token price was set at a minimum of 9 cents, the exact same price as the final pre-sale round. Venture capital companies are here to make money. They're here and they will hold it for a period of time for the opportunity for the team to do their work and to create value and a value proposition. And guess what? That's exactly what these VCs are doing. They are buying at the same price that you are buying right now. Now, when we were talking before about the videos, there's over 100 influencers right now that are talking about Runwago. The amount of reach and the amount of investment going into this project is phenomenal. The sheer number of videos that are already out, this is it right here. There's 84 currently separate videos that are going around right now talking about Runwago and the potential and possibilities that you can have with this run to earn app. Look at that handsome gentleman right there. Now, let's talk team. On the website, the core team, these are the guys right here. These are somebody, this is a team that the entire project is very thankful to have. What started as a small team has grown into a strong, well-structured organization with multiple institutional teams and companies coming together to build Runwago. Each sector is handled by professionals, proving that Runwago isn't just a running app, it's a large, organized ecosystem with a clear mission to make Runwago one of the biggest and most memorable SportFi apps for the 2025 bull run. Pre-sales often lack transparency, but not here. Everything is open, structured, and built for trust, exactly what everyone should look for in a pre-sale. With all sectors handled by top professionals, the initial market cap of $351,000 is going to be insanely low for what's being built. The 50x potential just weeks after the launch feels like a realistic minimum, but we'll dive into that later in this video. All right, so how do we earn with this project? And by the way, there's a link in the description below that will take you to this website right now. You can connect your wallet and you can make a buy right now. And if you use my link, I'm going to give you an extra 5% for signing up and doing this. Now, the timing and narrative of SportFi couldn't be any better. The last bull market saw projects like STEPN and StepApp dominate the SportFi space, delivering insane returns for early investors and bringing massive market caps, which is still a massive $600 million. STEPN just continuing to have a big run with an initial startup. It pumped over $1 billion. And it's retraced and stayed over 600 million. So far in this bull cycle, we haven't seen anything like this until right now. There aren't 1,000 SportFi projects to compete with, so all the focus is going to be on Runwago. There's no 50,000 meme coins created daily, no 10,000 other GameFi projects created every day, just one serious, advanced, and simple SportFi project with its low market cap, powerful narrative, and Q1 of 2025 product launch. This is sure to dominate. All investments are going to flow directly into Runwago, the only major SportFi project of 2025. Rather than being diluted across hundreds of similar projects, this singular focus creates big potential for growth. The potential here isn't just big, it's massive. So don't forget about tap to earn. Forget about GameFi for now. Don't worry about any one of these. Just think about what can happen here. Runwago has the potential to not just match products like STEPN and StepApp, but to surpass them by far. It's the only one that's sustainable. That's a rare opportunity for early investors to get in on the ground floor of a project ready to dominate. This isn't just another trend. It's the next big move in SportFi. Runwago already has venture capital on board. It's on track for a tier 1 centralized exchange listing. This is serious, guys. The first and second round sold out pretty fast, and I expect the final round to go just as quickly, so don't miss out. Grab RWG today. Remember, down below, there is a link that will take you directly there. I'll give you an extra 5% if you sign up for it today. And remember, use the link in that description if you want that bonus. Now, to remind you, I'm going to put a link right now. It's going to be right up there above. If you want to go look at it, you can go see it before. We've already made buys. We've already bought in. We are already RWG holders. We bought in on that second round. So let's talk about profiting, right? It's pretty simple here. The pre-sale here started on November 28th of 2024, and within only 10 minutes, the first round had completely sold out. The second round also sold out. Took a little bit longer, but almost immediately as well. And now the third round is live, and this is the last chance to buy tokens right before they appear on centralized exchanges, with the best vesting and unlocking 10% and cliff for only 1 month. I don't want to be overly optimistic, but seeing the institutional team backing this and knowing that the first round sold out instantly, I have a strong feeling that the third round is going to go just as fast. And the total there is going to be 3.38 million. Total pre-sale goal, which isn't a lot for a project at this level, so this will probably sell out pretty quickly with such a small target. There's no doubt RWG will be targeting Tier 1 centralized exchanges in Q1 once the pre-sale ends, and they've already announced it in their white paper. Why is that important? Because history shows us that the biggest gains in crypto come from getting in early. Projects like STEPN and StepApp delivered a minimum of 100x returns for their earliest backers. RWG has all the makings of a similar success story, a ready-made product, a massive address of audience, and tokenomics designed to reward early adopters. Now, let's calculate the potential profit we can earn from RWG if the cap reaches 20% of STEPN. Currently, the market cap is for GMT is 241. 20% of that is 48 million. Considering that we're going into this with a 351,000 market cap, to get to 48 million, that would be a 136x. This absolutely blows my mind. You guys know I'm looking for these big plays. I can't help but think that RWG could probably achieve a market cap of greater than 48 million. But even at this level, it's a life-changing opportunity. Again, 136x from your launch price. I'm really trying to not FOMO, but that's also the reason why I'm making this video in advance, because I really believe this will be sold out so quickly. It's only the genuine SportFi project. Look, this is the only one out there that you're going to see. Okay, STEPN, it's already there, and you know it's not sustainable. StepApp, it's out there, you already know it's not sustainable. RWG, you are going to make the investment yourself for the month, and you're going to be rewarded with everybody who doesn't complete. That's how you're going to earn yield on this project. Basically, all you have to do is your job. All you have to do is stay fit. All you have to do is exercise and let the process take care of the rest. And this isn't just speculation. The app is live. The roadmap is clear. The team is ready to deliver. The launch and the centralized exchange listings are scheduled for Q1. Looking at these pre-sale rounds, there's no doubt the team will complete this $3.38 million that they're looking for to raise this in order to launch with the $351,000 market cap. I bet this will easily onboard solid venture capitals and centralized exchanges along the way. More of them. So look, this is pretty simple, okay? Opportunities like this don't come around very often. RWG isn't just another crypto project. It's a fully developed platform with the potential to dominate a massive market of 300 million existing users. This is not a meme coin. They didn't just go out here and say, hey, I laughed when I saw this meme the other day. Let's see if we can suck liquidity out of this market for this next meme coin. Okay, this is a sustainable process with an app already developed, ready to go. Pre-sale round one was only 600,000. You and I were in on that first round, by the way. We're going to go back to the video. You can check it up there. Second round was only 980,000, and now the final round. So if you wait, you might miss out. And trust me, you don't want to be the person looking back 3 months from now wishing you had gotten in when the price was still low. I gave you this opportunity. Not only am I giving you this opportunity, this is your chance to become part of something that could potentially be huge. RWG isn't just another move to earn app. It has the potential to become a top narrative in this bull run. So join the pre-sale now. Down below, the launch price is going to be 9 cents in this third round. Also, if you sign up, use the link down below. I'm going to give you an extra 5% of RWG tokens. That means that you automatically make a 5% profit on whatever it is that you put in. You put in $1,000, it's an extra $50 in tokens that you are going to get at the launch price. Remember, it's the first strong SportFi project in this bull market, so it can be the biggest one. It's not going to be one of 50,000 or so meme coins that are launched every single day. It's getting ridiculous out here. And this is not financial advice or physical advice, but I'm always right.